Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Gwen of GW Pro, and I'm back and I'm excited as usual. Alright, so if you have been following me on my pre-market analysis, let me show you guys that you should not be less than 500 pips in profit this week. Alright, that's the guaranteed pips, which my pre-market session is actually fetching a lot of people right now, and they're calling me and they're giving me goodwill messages and they're thanking me as well for doing the wonderful session. All right, so if you don't know what that pre-market session was all about, let me just take a dive in and then show you how we were set up during that pre-market analysis. All right, so during the pre-market analysis, we spoke about a lot of things, and we spoke about also with the gold. For this one, we spoke about the NZD-USD. All right,
based on previous analysis.
So the NZD, this is what we wanted to do
away for this one.
NZD.
Okay, so however, we want to see more confirmation. But so, however, this could be a 5, and this could be a start of a new wave, as considering that this could have been a wave 1 and a wave 2. So this could be a start of a new wave 1, 2. So this could be price starting to go from that point. So, however, it's a possibility.
So we looked at that also as well. So this is how that one is actually faring now. And if you go look at that video, you're going to see what I spoke about in that video as well. So we wanted to see price do this. So once price was able to do A, B, C, D, E, and it dropped to form the next leg down there, we're ready to take that trading decision, and we wrote that pay up to that point as well. All right, so we're looking at what we've done so far, and we've captured some 67 pips as well for that one. And also with the GBP USD, if you go look at that video, you also see that you should be capturing 98 pip at the moment. All right, so the next one I'm going to be looking at, if you go look at that video, you could see that also in that video which I spoke about gold, that you should also be in massive profit. All right, so let me just show you a bit of it, what we spoke about with the gold and how we were set up to take the gold. Okay, for that one. All right, so this is what we wanted to do with the gold, and you can see nicely
gold here. Always remember that we want to see gold make uprise. All right, we want to see gold make uprise up to the B leg. All right, so we want to see gold make uprise up to the B leg. We've seen that price have come to test the D leg. All right, but we want to see gold make further uprise up to this zone.
All right, so with that one there, we've seen that we made cool profit. All right, so for that one with gold, and I don't think anyone that followed us right from pre-market should be making anything less than 378 pips. All right, you should not be making less than 378 pips from this one. And if you're making that pips, hold it on a little bit, you're going to be making up to 467 pips as well. That's what we're going to be doing with the gold for that one. And that's the end of the X leg. All right, for the internal structures, which or the B leg, we can use that at the B leg or the X leg, because this is the A, B, and we can look at the C down there to complete the bigger WXY. So just go back to that video, and there's also a video which I made about a step-by-step analysis on gold, so you can go work that out, and then that will fully explain to you what we wanted to do with the gold for that one. All right, so today what I'm going to be sharing with you today, apart from the fact that things are just going up right today and as we have planned, all right, so we're going to be looking at I'm going to be looking at sharing with you today. I'm going to be taking a dive into the stock market. All right, so today I'm going to be taking a dive into the stock market to show you how I'm going to be set up to trade the stock market today. All right, so for this one today, I'm going to be looking at stock, okay, with this one. So I did the previous analysis on this one for the stock, and what I wanted to do with stock for this one, this contraction here. So when I looked at this on a daily time frame, all right, so this could have been the end of the structure. Okay, so this could have been the start of a wave 1, all right, a 2. So we can be looking at the breakout, all right. But then I asked myself this morning when I was looking at my chart, okay, preparing for this presentation, I looked at my chart and I asked myself 2 questions. Okay, if this is the start of a wave 1, all right, and a 2 down there, what could go wrong? All right, when will we be said to be wrong? Okay, with that analysis, can we say that we're right? All right, so what I'm looking at doing here, I think for this one here, this consolidation here could actually be a W, all right, so this could be an X, we could look at a Y, all right. But here also we had a very huge corrective wave here, and it dropped. So we're looking at this being a 3-wave consolidation or a 3-wave correction, and it's a drop. So however, what I'm going to be looking at this to confirm this for me is I'm going to wait for only a break up this point. Okay, so even with the break of this point, I want to see that price can make a new high. All right, so price can make a new high. So whatever we're doing this week, we're going to be looking at price making a new high. Once that could happen, then we'll be looking at setting up nicely for a new wave up. All right, so but if that doesn't come into play, all right, we'll be looking at that high as a wave W, and we're looking at this also from this point on that price could drop. All right, so that's not ruled out. All right, so let's not rule that out, that from that point on that price could also drop. All right, so let's just put that up. I've seen that we've seen the wave A, B, C. So this could be an ABC of a running flat. All right, that's also a possibility. So we can say that this could be also A, okay, B, all right, C. So this could be a flat pattern, okay, and then a drop. All right, but however, I will not be looking that far below this contraction here. So I'm looking to take profit somewhere here and also here. So what I'm going to be looking to do the whole of the day, I'm going to be waiting for a break below this point. So I'm going to put up a pending sell stop. I'm going to put up pending sell stop. I'm going to put in up that one. All right, pending sell stop, and I'm going to put in my stop loss just above 4392. I'm going to put in my take profit at 4336. That's going to be my TP1. All right, I'm going to push that button. All right, so I'm going to put that pending sell stop there. I'm going to put in my stop loss just above the previous high. So if that's the previous high, I'm going to put that up there. I'm going to put my TP1 here. All right, so let's see. We're going to be looking at capturing 44 pips there, and this is going to be risk of 13 pips. Okay, so you can see that 131 and you can see that 144. So that's going to be TP1. So I'm going to be looking at TP2 somewhere down here. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at TP2 somewhere down around the 5th retracement level of the 78.2. Okay, so most times I can use the 88.8, but 78.2 is perfect for me. So I'm going to be looking at that also as TP1. So if you put that line up, you can see that from that point you'll be capturing 63 pips. Okay, so just risk of 13 pips and 63 pips. Okay, right? That makes the most sense. Okay, so it makes the most sense for me. So I'm going to put in that up. So, however, if price will not drop below that point, then we could see that market could continue moving further up rises and then continue, because this looks more bullish. Okay, so if it wants to continue to upside, we can then expect that to also continue, but this is definitely what I want to do today. All right, if there's a failure here, we'll see price drop back into here to get a liquidity. All right, so I'm going to be looking at those two targets there. So I'm going to put in up TP1. All right, I'm going to put up TP2 around 4300. Here I have to do my TP2. All right, wow, that's crazy. I'm not going to be at TP2. TP2 should be somewhere around here. Yes, all right, that's where I should have my TP2. Yes, this is somewhere around here, 4,300. That's TP2 territory. All right, so that's TP1. I don't think that activated. Let me just go check that out. Pending order. I'm gonna put in up sell stop. I'm gonna put in up so 4334. All right, 4334. All right, so I have that two positions set already. So I'm going to be waiting to see how that play out. All right, so I'll be back tomorrow with more analysis, and also on weekend I'll be back with a video of how you can do this week in, week out, and also set up your chart and also to trade profitably. Thank you very much for your time. Subscribe, like, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be receiving information whenever I post content such as this one. See you next time.